Tesla Model 3 Service Mode is a hidden diagnostic interface primarily used by authorized technicians. It allows access to advanced vehicle systems for troubleshooting, calibration, and maintenance, bypassing the standard user interface. This unlocks menus for diagnostics, firmware checks, and component testing. Service mode in the Tesla Model 3 serves a critical purpose beyond the regular user interface. It provides technicians with powerful tools for in-depth diagnostics, allowing them to access and analyze the vehicle's complex systems that aren't visible to everyday users. This mode is essential for identifying and resolving issues that could affect safety and performance. Through service mode, certified technicians can interface with the vehicle's electronic control units and CAN bus networks to read error codes and perform detailed checks. This helps ensure the vehicle operates correctly and safely. Another key function is calibrating components like brakes, suspension, and adaptive systems. This fine-tuning is crucial after repairs or software updates to maintain optimal vehicle performance. Service mode also enables running specific tests on battery health, motor functions, and other critical systems. These tests help verify that everything is working properly and can prevent future problems. Overall, service mode exists as a professional diagnostic tool designed to maintain the high standards of Tesla vehicles. It ensures that complex repairs and maintenance can be performed accurately by trained technicians. To enter service mode, several prerequisites must be met. The vehicle must be in park, with the driver seated and seatbelt fastened, and not connected to a charger or autopilot. Once prerequisites are met, press and hold the scroll wheel button on the left steering wheel spoke for 5 to 10 seconds. The touchscreen will go black and reboot into a PIN entry screen. Release the button, then input the PIN. Previously a static PIN of 0000, Tesla now requires a dynamic PIN generated via the Tesla app or service center. Once you enter service mode, you'll encounter a hidden menu structure designed for professional diagnostics. The main categories include diagnostics, calibration, logs, and system info, each providing access to different aspects of the vehicle's systems. Let's explore the main categories. Diagnostics allows testing of vehicle components, calibration adjusts sensors and systems, logs record system events, and system info shows hardware details. Here's what the service mode screen looks like, showing these categories on the left side. Within each category, submenus provide detailed testing capabilities for specific components such as brakes, suspension, and battery health. The mode interfaces directly with the vehicle's CAN bus network, a communication system that connects all the electronic control units. Through this network, service mode can read diagnostic trouble codes, or DTCs, which are standardized error codes that pinpoint specific issues in the vehicle's systems. The PIN for accessing service mode on the Tesla Model 3 is now dynamically generated through the Tesla app or service center. This new system enhances security by creating unique PINs each time, preventing unauthorized access. It protects the vehicle's systems from potential exploits that could compromise safety or functionality. However, attempting to enter without proper authorization may result in software lockouts, requiring professional assistance to resolve. Before entering service mode on your Tesla Model 3, follow these essential safety steps to ensure a smooth and safe experience. First, ensure no passengers are in the vehicle. This prevents any distractions or safety issues during the process. Second, always park on level ground. This is crucial for accurate diagnostics and prevents any calibration issues. Third, avoid using service mode during software updates. The OTA update process shown here requires uninterrupted system access. To exit service mode safely, you can hold the scroll wheel button again or simply select the exit option from the menu. However, misuse of service mode can have serious consequences. It may trigger error codes or even lock out vehicle systems. In such cases, you may need to visit a Tesla service center, as shown in this service station app interface, for professional assistance. Trends point towards AI-driven anomaly detection in service mode, flagging unusual access patterns. This advanced system monitors vehicle behavior and alerts technicians to potential issues before they become serious problems. Tesla aims for full integration with its Energy OS by 2027, potentially enabling remote diagnostics via the app for certified users. This means technicians could troubleshoot vehicles without physical access, using smartphone interfaces to access diagnostic data. By 2030, Tesla aims for 90% of issues resolved via app-based AI, reducing the need for manual entry into service mode. This shift towards intelligent diagnostics will make vehicle maintenance more convenient and efficient for both owners and service professionals.